Jimin sit in the living room. It's night time. He look at the time and then Yoongi enter in the room. Yoongi, oh hello Mr. Park, you are here. Jimin, so what? I don't come here. Yoongi, no, no, this is your house. Do whatever you want. Jimin, I like it. Yoongi, wow, being her. Jimin, I am born. Yoongi in mind. Suddenly, what happened with him? Yoongi sit in front of him. Yoongi, so Jimin, let's come on the main topic. Jimin, look at him. Yoongi is looking so serious. Jimin, Yoongi, Jimin, listen, you did wrong with you. I know now he gave you, but still, if you want, I gave him of his deeds. Jimin, look at him. He remember his past 1 month and his eyes become teary. Yoongi, see, he hold his hand. Yoongi, shh, don't cry. Tell me what you want. I will do what you want. Jimin, Yoongi, he's my dad friend son. Yoongi, that's not matter. Jimin, the thing is this, what he did with you. Jimin nodded. Jimin, okay, Yoongi, so can I trust you? Yoongi, I will never break your trust. Jimin, why are you doing all this? I mean, you treat me like I am Prince. Yoongi, you are my prince. When I saw you, I fell for you, Jimin, but your behavior is everything telling me you can't trust anyone. So I stay silent, but I want you give Jimin, thank you. He looking down. Yoongi, why thanks? Jimin, you said you give me Yoongi, no need for thanks. Just smile always. Jimin, Yoongi, what about your family? He asked him. Yoongi looking down and sadly smile. Yoongi, I am alone. I don't have anyone expect you. He said, and Jimin look at him. This is the attention. This is the world. This is the comfort he want from his, but he don't get. But Yoongi, they both just meet now, and Jimin feeling like he earned the whole world. He looking down. Yoongi, why you didn't sleep? Jimin, me, I am. He stand up. Jimin look at him. Yoongi, don't look at me like this. Otherwise, we fell for me. He said, and Jimin widened his eyes. Yoongi started laughing and go. Jimin also smiled. Jimin crazy. Mate come and boy had him made sir dinner. Jimin arranged the dining table. We are coming. Jimin come in the room. He signed to see Yoongi watch. His blazer, his phone, all spread on the bed. He signed and placed everything on their places. And Yoongi come out. He see Jimin. Yoongi, oh, you are here. Jimin, dinner is ready. Come and have dinner. Yoongi, you eat. Jimin, sign as no. Yoongi waiting for me, huh? Jimin, no. Yoongi, then why you didn't eat? Jimin, I'm not in mood. Yoongi, oh really? It's 11 p.m. and you are not in mood. Jimin, no, I am not. Yoongi, why are you okay? Jimin, yes, I am. Yoongi, then why are you not in mood? Jimin, Yoongi, why are you asking so much questions? Yoongi, because you are not giving me proper reply. Jimin, ask me the question. Yoongi, you are waiting for me. Jimin, no way. Yoongi, okay, you go. Okay, you go eat. I am not in mood. Jimin, where Yoongi? You care. Go and eat. Jimin, don't be stubborn. Yoongi, come and have dinner. Yoongi, no, you go. Jimin, what you want to hear? Yoongi, to Jimin, san. Jimin, fine. I am waiting for you. Happy? Jimin looked into another side. Yoongi, really? He asked in soft voice. Jimin looked at him. Jimin, up. Just because you are giving me respect, so I thought I also give you. Yoongi close to him. Yoongi said whatever you want, but you tell the truth. Already, I will come early from tomorrow, so you no need to wait for me. He said and go, Jimin, oh my, what is this? He closed his eyes, take a deep breath and calm himself. Jimin, calm down. Jimin, nothing happens. It's alright. He see himself in the mirror. His cheeks is pink. Jimin, why am I blushing? No way. Jimin come downstairs. They both sit beside each other. Yoongi, Jimin, yeah. Yoongi, I am sorry if I make you feel uncomfortable. It's true I have feeling for you, but and it's become difficult for me to. So please don't mind. Jimin, it's alright, Yoongi. I can understand. Don't worry. Yoongi passed him a smile, and they again started do their dinner. Jimin, Yoongi, if you don't mind, can I ask you something? Yoongi, yeah, said Jimin. Why you become Mafia? Yoongi, stop. He look at Jimin, who is looking at him. Jimin, I'm sorry if I ask you something wrong. Yoongi, no, it's your right to ask. I will tell you everything and don't hide from you. Jimin, it's alright, Yoongi. Yoongi, please don't think I'm not comfortable. It's nothing like that. It's just I don't want to remember anything now. Jimin, it's okay. I understand, and you don't think too much. I am all okay. I'm sorry for your sometime. I am all okay. Tell me when you think it's right time. Yoongi nodded. Yoongi, thank you so much for understanding me. Jimin, no problem. He passed him a small smile. Huh. He passed him a small smile. Jimin, wait. I don't understand anything. Still past. It's present. Lady, yes. Jimin, I'm not understanding anything. Okay. I agree I'm with Jung, but why he said you don't have anyone expect me? Lady, you ask from him, he will give you answer. Jimin, it's also confusing. Yoongi don't think too much. He looked at the direction and see Yoongi stand there. He went to him. Jimin, Yoongi, Young, what is all this? Yoongi, you said you believe me. Jimin, I do, Young, but still past. Yoongi, don't take stress. You will go to know everything soon. Yoongi, now we are going. You take care, okay? Jimin, but you didn't complete the story. Yoongi, the story is incomplete. Jimin, for today it's enough, okay? Jimin, but I want to know more. He said with the Portuguese cup displays. Yoongi, don't you want to make new memories? Jimin, I want Young, but Yoongi, no, but let's go. I will tell you everything slowly, okay? Jimin signed and nodded. Jimin, let's go. Yoongi look at already she bore at him and they go. They sit in the car. Jimin make a big pouch and thinking something. Yoongi, what are you thinking, Jimin? Jimin, Hyung, you are so bad. Yoongi, me? What I did? Yoongi, Jimin, you teased me a lot 1 year ago. He said and Yoongi stopped the car. He looked at him. Yoongi, and what you think about yourself and what you do with me is right. Jimin, I bear so many things already, so it's okay. And Yoongi Hyung, I asked mom and dad why they did with me. They do my with Rohan. He said with teary eyes. Yoongi wiped his tears. Yoongi, you don't know the whole story for now, right? Jimin nodded. Yoongi, so don't ask them. Ask them later. Okay, when you know everything. Jimin again nodded. Yoongi, you want something? Jimin Sanas, no. Yoongi, no. Let's go. Jimin, no. Let's go back. Mom must be waiting for me. Yoongi nodded and they start the car. In whole journey, Jimin looking outside, his mind stuck on the story and what happened next. And Yoongi time to time taking glance on him. They both enter in them. The first person he sees, Jay. Jimin, where you go? You didn't even inform me. Jimin, sorry, I have some work. That's why I go. Jay, leave it. Jimin, auntie is so worried for you. Jimin, san. Jimin, mom need to know now. I am not a kid anymore. Jay, oh please, you are a kid. Everyone know. Jimin, you, JK, wow, you scold me now. I'm with my, Jay, what? JK, I am your soon to be, right? It is soon to be. JK, so it's same day. No, it's not same. JK, about to speak Yoongi. I swear, if you both come in my house, then see what I do with you. He said and go. Tay look at Jungkook. Jay, it's all because of you. He also go. Jimin and Jungkook are left. JK, why your best friends is like this? Jimin Sanas, no. Jimin, I don't know, but now you have to bear him for whole life. He said and go to meet his mom. JK, wow. And what about me, huh? He's the one who feel irritation from me, and here I am. Jay come in the room. He see Jimin sit on the bed and thinking something. He went to him and sit in front of him. Jay put his hand on his shoulder and Jimin come in the reality. Jay, what's going on, bro? Why are you not telling me anything, Jimin? Huh? What? Jay, look, Jimin, you know you are my best friend. You can't hide anything from me, so tell me everything. Jimin, nothing, Jay. I am just feeling like you guys are hiding something from me. Just thinking about this, Jay. I said you many times. Don't think too much. You don't listen me. Jimin, how can I? Jay, I am tired now. Jay, what? Why you didn't tell me, huh? Jimin, I want to, but you were with Jungkook, so I thought not to disturb you. Jimin, stay silent. I am always free and here for you. Jimin, smile. Jimin, I know. Jay, now tell me what you want to know. Jimin, what you guys are hiding from me. Today is something big, Jimin. I don't know. Auntie, allow me to tell you. Oh no, Jimin, tell me. I promise I don't ask anyone. Expect you already. Jimin, with whom? Tae Yoongi Hyung. Jimin, what? Tae nodded. Tae, and I don't allow to tell you further, Jimin. But Tae, please, Jimin, it's good for you, Jimin. He is my aunt. Staying away from me, it's good for me. Tae, there are many things you don't know, Jimin. So tell me. Tae, sighed. Tae, think once again, Jimin. Jimin, I already think. Tae, okay, so listen. So Tae tell him the same as Granny told him. Jimin, I already with someone expect. Time passed like this. Almost 1 month passed almost. Yoongi already Jimin and now Jimin also start to feel for him. He is feeling so happy he forget about his every which Rohan gave him. Yoongi gave a good lesson to Rohan. Everyone thought he in a car. Jimin also he said he forgive Rohan, but Yoongi said no. They are staying together. They both are happy and now Jimin want to spend his whole life. He don't want anyone. Jimin come in the room. He see Yoongi sit on the bed. He's lost in his thoughts. Jimin sit in front of him. Yoongi see him and pass him a small smile. Jimin, what happened? Yoongi, nothing. You come and sleep. It's true. Like Jimin, I ask you something. Yoongi san, Yoongi, I had lost in my company. I lost the deal. My one of my man betrayed me and gave my every information to me. I'm stuck in all this problem. Jimin nodded. Jimin, it's okay. Yoongi, everything become alright. You are taking up. You are talking about loss. I know you will handle and deal. It's alright. They are not that much capable. They do deal with you. And about your man, you can't trust anyone. Leave him. Yoongi, no, I will not leave him. He dared to. Jimin, okay, but relax. Don't take stress. It's alright. I know you cover up the situation. Yoongi, you trust me, Jimin, more than anything. Yoongi smiled. Yoongi, really? Jimin nodded. Yoongi hold his hand. Jimin see Yoongi. So Jimin, will you accept me as your? Jimin looked into his eyes filled with Jimin looking down, Yoongi, it's alright if you said I wait for you. Jimin, Yoongi, I'm just scared. You know what happened with me. Yoongi, I know and it's alright. I wait for you. Jimin, still wait, Yoongi. It's okay for you, I do. Jimin, take a deep breath. Jimin, you are the last person whom I trust again. Yoongi, please don't break my trust. Yoongi, smile. Yoongi, I will not. Jimin, just don't leave me by judging my work. No one choose this field with happiness. Jimin, I will not. Yoongi, so you will be my partner. Jimin nodded. Yoongi can't believe he's so happy. Jimin, thank you so much. Yoongi, you know what, Jimin, you are my comfort zone. You are the person with whom I want to spend my whole life. Oh, Jimin, hope so everything become alright in future. Yoongi, I promise I always take care of you. Nothing happens with you. Hope so everything with you. Jimin, Yoongi, what about my parents? Yoongi back and look at him. Yoongi, I will talk with your parents. I already arranged. He's looking down. He don't have words. Jimin up his chins. Yoongi, Jimin, don't be sad. If you said I will not go, Yoongi, go for now, my angel. Everything become alright. You no need to worry, and I will come to take you with me. And after that, don't let you go. Jimin, I wait for you. Yoongi, I will not make you wait for long. Jimin nodded. Jimin, you still didn't tell me why you choose this field. Yoongi, I said now I will tell you when the right time come. Just trust me, Jimin. Okay, Yoongi, I am waiting when you told me everything. Yoongi, I will soon. And after telling you, I leave this field. Also, I don't want something happens with you. We spent a normal life together. Jimin, really? You leave all this? Yoongi, I will just give me a some months. At some time, Jimin, I am with you. Don't worry, Yoongi. Now sleep. Tomorrow you have a flight. Jimin, make up out. Yoongi, chuckle. Jimin, I don't want to go now. Yoongi, go there for some times. Lay on the bed. Yoongi, take Jimin. Jimin feeling and Son both fell in sleep peacefully. Hmm. Present day, and he said yes. When you come, everyone, you they all are so happy. You are fine. And he said truth. Just 5 days pass and he come. Mr. and Mrs. Win come, as you know they are dad best friend. We never meet their sons. So when he come, you are shocked. I still remember your reaction. And he direct ask with uncle about you. Tell them everything. He's a mafia, but you didn't tell them the reason why he come. And guess what? Everyone is ready for you, and you and Young both are so happy. And there I see Jungkook for the first time. Jimin, but as Yoongi told, as you said, Yoongi, he don't have anyone expect Jimin, and he come here with his parents. That's the mystery, Jimin. I also think same, but I didn't ask him. I about to ask you. I thought to give you some time, but on that night when you both are going till looking down crying. You know, Jimin, Jungkook told me he gave him that day. He said it's mistake. You can see on his Jimin. What day Jungkook told me? I asked from Jungkook. He still do, and Jungkook reaction is blank. Jimin, is he man or what? How can he do this with him? Tej, you are thinking this. I am thinking how much he. You know, when you forget everything, he is not innocent. Is if Jungkook leave him, he may Jimin today Yoongi on and on that day Yoongi, there is a huge difference between them, and there is world when doctor said he can't stay if he want. If he stayed there, flashbacks hit you and it's not good for you. Min uncle sent him back after that. What he see, what you do, what to do, no one know. And I see him now, that's why no one told him anything. Told you anything now also, in the every step of life. But please, Jimin, now don't leave him. Don't said you want time, please. At least you, for once, he deserve more, Jimin. But please, tears are not stopping from his eyes. He didn't said anything and run from the, a small spot appear on their face and he go. So I changed Yoongi bedroom. Jimin opened the door slowly. He see Yoongi looking outside. Tears are not stopping his ways. He went to Yoongi and he started crying. Yoongi know his Jimin, but why he's crying? He turned and Jimin, like his life depend on him. Yoongi, Jimin, what happened? Tell me, why are you crying? Someone said you anything? Tell me, Jimin. Jimin might know. Jimin, you can't tell him. You know everything. I don't want. He think I feel pity on him. Yoongi, Jimin, Yoongi, I want to stay with you. I'm feeling scared in my room alone. Yoongi, Jimin, you said, Jimin, no, I want to stay with you. Yoongi, are you sure? Jimin, yeah, he didn't ready to leave. Yoongi, no need to feel scared. Jimin, Yoongi, yes, Jimin, we go away from here. Yoongi means, Jimin, we don't stay here. No one is good here. Yoongi, Jimin, why are you saying this? Jimin, everyone is they don't want to stay together. Don't stay here. Let's go, Young. Yoongi, tell me something. What happened, Jimin? You don't come with me. He asked with teary eyes. Yoongi wipe his tears softly. Yoongi, I will go everywhere with you, but at least tell me what happened. Jimin, they again separate us. Young, they again. I don't want to lose you again. He said and started crying. Yoongi again. Jimin, you know everything. What happened? Jimin nodded while crying. He sit on the bed. Yoongi, you seriously? You remember everything, Jimin. Yoongi, don't cry. See, I am here. Jimin, I don't want to stay here. Yoongi, don't worry, we don't stay here. Just for some time. Jimin, Sanas. No, Jimin, no, Yoongi, you are not understanding. They are not good. They again separate as Jimin. Yoongi, Jimin, it's not their fault. Jimin, how can you said that it's not their fault? They sent you away from me when I want you the most. Yoongi, calm down. See, I am here. Jimin, they each other the most. I Jimin hands is shivering. Yoongi make him drink a water a little bit. Yoongi, calm down and listen. It's not their fault. Doctor said. Jimin, what doctor said? How can I find without you? Yoongi, you know I don't sleep all night. I don't tell anyone. I am tired. It mad. Tell me what I do. Yoongi, you don't do anything. You just stay away. Just stay with me. I know what I have to do next. Jimin, I don't leave you now. No matter what's the situation, I don't care. Yoongi, okay, don't leave me. Don't cry. And Jimin calmed down. After some time, Yoongi, I am really happy you remember me. Jimin, sorry for making you worried. Yoongi, it's not your fault. Jimin, still he said with a pout. Yoongi, oh my cutie, it's alright. Jimin, Yoongi, you are still my Yoongi, Nori, Yoongi, I said you, Jimin, I will leave everything. Just some more time, please. Jimin, it's okay, Yoongi. Oh, take your time, Yoongi. Thank you. Go and sleep. Cute pouch, Yoongi. Now everyone need to scared from my mini, right? Jimin nodded innocently. Yoongi quiet his cuteness. Yoongi, Jimin, listen. Jimin, yes, Yoongi, don't think wrong about your parents. Jimin looking down. Yoongi, they are right on their place, okay? And I also want to see you fine. So it's not their fault, okay? Jimin nodded. Yoongi, you so much. Just remember this. Jimin nodded. Yoongi, now go and sleep in your room. Jimin, no, I sleep here. Yoongi, I must have been kitchen. Jimin, sit in the middle of the bed. Yoongi, if you want, you go. Yoongi, okay, I'm going. Jimin, Annie, I'm kidding. Don't go. He shows his puppy eyes with she no melt Yoongi easily. Yoongi, you know how to melt me. Jimin nodded as yes, and then no. Yoongi, Jimin, no, actually, Yoongi, actually, what? Jimin, nothing. He make up out and Yoongi chuckle. Yoongi, are you comfortable? He asked, and Jimin extended his hand. Yoongi, why so cute? Jimin, Yoongi, they both lay on the bed. Well, Jimin, Yoongi, I am so happy. After a long time, I finally get him. Thank God, Yoongi Mini. But Jimin already fell in sleep. Yoongi smiled and then sleep. He don't know after how much time he is sleeping peacefully. Now he won't let anything happen to Jimin. He promised to himself now it's their turn and the reality also. Whole night passed. Next day, Yoongi is the one who wake up first. He sees Jimin sleeping peacefully. He really don't want to disturb his sleep, but she don't want anyone know. Yoongi, Jimin, wake up. Jimin, no, Yoongi, Jimin, wake up. I listen you right now. Listen me. Jimin come downstairs after fresh up. He's still sleepy. He never wake up that much early in his entire life. He sits on the chair and down his head on the table. Everyone present there. Jin, good morning, Jimin. Jimin look up and see Jin. He make up out and went to him. Jimin, Jin, Yoongi, Jin, oh, what happened? Jimin, I want to sleep more, but that catfish creature don't let me sleep. Jinhu, and suddenly Jimin realized what she said. Yoongi, Jungkook, Tae also come. Yoongi look at Jimin with done face. Jimin, Tae. JK, but he looked like a beard. Tae, one. He give glare to Jungkook. JK, so what? I'm not scared from you. Tae, oh really? JK, just kidding. Jin, you both has too much, and Tae give some respect to Jungkook. Tae eyes widened, and Jungkook went to Jin. JK, that's why you are my favorite. Jin Young said, I am his soon to be Jimin Minanti. What you want to say? Jimin sit on the table and start to eat apple. Yoongi signed to see him. He see Jimin look at him with these big jaw eyes while eating apple. Mrs. Min, I'm saying Jungkook and Tae, you both have a one day. Think if you want to, we are happy. If you don't, then we don't have any problem. It's about your whole life. Everywhere silence in them. Jin take apple from Jin. Jimin said him to watch Jimin make up out and Tae is silent. He's looking down. Jungkook expression change into worried one. And then their fathers come. Jimin sit on the chair. Mr. Min, what happened? Is everything okay? Mrs. Min, yeah, you sit. They all sit, and Jimin Site is a tense and also silent. She understands. Jimin, hey Tae, don't try talk with him. Everything become alright. He messaged him. Tae see the message and nodded. Tae, Jin Tae, it's alright. You talk with Jungkook. You both think and decide. Okay, no need to be worried. Tae, okay, Jin Young. They come in the room, he sits on the mat. What is auntie means? Think once again. She fixed everything from start, and it's okay if we both always bickering with each other. What if Jungkook said no? I don't know when it's happened, but I start to feel for him. I have feelings for him, and it's not wrong. He's my but now his son and Jungkook knock on the door. Tacy and said him to come in the room. He sit beside Jay. They both are silent. JK Taeyang. JK, what you think then? Tay, what? JK, mom said she's giving you time. Tay, so what she is giving you also? JK, you know my answer very well. Tay, what? JK, Tay, I am from start, so I am agree. Tell me about you. It's your decision. Tay, Jungkook, I am also agree. He said while looking down. JK, look at him. JK, it's alright. Think, take your time. It's about your whole life. Tay, yes. Yoongi come home, he sit on the couch. Mrs. Min come, Mrs. Min, my son come, Yoongi mom, when we go back. Mrs. Min, why so sudden you ask this question? Yoongi, just give me answer. Mrs. Min, I ask from Jungkook if he is ready, then we talk with their parents and do they after that. Yoongi mom, can't we go back tomorrow? Mrs. Min, but why? What happened? Yoongi, I have some work to complete. Mrs. Min, Yoongi son, we are here for tape. You know very well. Yoongi, okay, then you guys do. I am going. Mrs. Min, what is this? Yoongi, suddenly what happened? You are going, huh? Yoongi, mom, I will come back before his, but it's really urgent to go back. Mrs. Min, at least tell me the reason. Yoongi, I will tell you later. Now you go and talk with dad, please. Mrs. Min nodded. Mrs. Min, I will. And she go. Yoongi sign. He closes his eyes. He don't know someone heard everything. Someone heard everything, and he go in the room. It's night time. Everyone is doing their dinner. There were totally silence. Mr. Min, Yoongi, your mom said you are going back. Mr. Park looked at him. Where? Mr. Park, where? What happened suddenly? Yoongi, I have some work and it's urgent to go. Mr. Min, Jungkook, what you think? JK, we both are ready, Dad. Mr. Min, that's good. I am thinking final their date. What you all this? Mr. Kim, I don't have any problem. Taste your son, Mr. Min. So what about next Sunday? We have still 1 week. We do the preparations, and Yoongi is as a elder brother. It's good if you stay here. Yoongi, I try to come soon, Dad, but please, it's really urgent to go back. Mr. Min, I believe you, son, and now I won't stop you. I know if you take this decision, then there is a something really big. Yoongi, thank you, Dad. He looked at Jimin, who is doing his dinner. It's silent. It seems like it doesn't affect on Jimin. Jin see Yoongi eyes complete with their dinner. Jin, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Jimin, congratulations, buddy. Jimin, oh yeah. Jackie, I am also here. Jimin, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot you are also going to get. He said, congrats to Jungkook. I am so guys, you do rest. We all go for shopping, okay? And Yoongi, when you are going, Yoongi, tomorrow early morning. I am best of luck for your work. If you want my any help, then tell me, Yoongi. I will. They both talking. Jimin, Jinyoung, I will help you. Jin, it's alright. Maids are here. You go. Jimin, you are working from morning. You go and do rest. Jimin, I did nothing. Jimin is passing from the hallway. Jimin is passing from the hallway when Yoongi take him in the. Jimin, what is your problem? Leave me, Yoongi. What is your problem? Why you are ignoring me from morning, huh? Jimin, ignoring you when I did, Yoongi. When you talk with me. Jimin, oh, first you go out. When you come, you start to talk about going and now dinner. When I get time, and why don't you come to talk with me if you are missing me that much? Yoongi sends Jimin his and he know why. Yoongi, I'm sorry, my mistake. Jimin, oh no, it's my mistake. Yoongi san, Yoongi Min, try to understand. It's important to go. Jimin, last time it's also important to go, right? Yoongi, Jimin, please, Jimin, what, please, Yoongi? Why are you running away from me? If you don't want to stay with me, tell me clearly. Yoongi, are you mad? Think once again before saying Park. Jimin, it's Min, Jimin, for your kind information. Yoongi, for world you are Park. Jimin, I don't care about world, Yoongi, but I do. Jimin, what do you mean I don't have? Yoongi, go from here. I have to do packing. Jimin, not tell me, Mr. Min. Yoongi, now, Jimin, just go from here. Jimin, Yoongi, what Yoongi? Go from here. Jimin take a step back to see Yoongi like this. Tears roll from his eyes. Yoongi realized what she just did. Yoongi, listen, Jimin, last time also we separated. We don't meet, and now also we can't. He said, and Yoongi said, Jimin, he don't understand what is happening with me. Jimin, time I lost my, Jimin himself is not understanding what he is saying. He look at Yoongi. Jimin, where is my? Tell me. Yoongi went to Yoongi. Listen, Jimin, I ask you something. Jimin, listen. Jimin, I ask you something. Tell me where I am. What is happening with me? Happened. Jimin crying messily, seeing his tears roll from Yoongi. As Yoongi, Jungkook, Taeyang, Namjoon, someone called. He is listening. Everyone come and shocked to see Jimin, who is Mr. Min. What happened with him? Mrs. Min. Yoongi, mom called doctor, please. JK called doctor. Yoongi, Jimin, open your eyes, please. Mr. Park and Mr. Min look at each other and become tense. Doctor come, he is checking Jimin and Yoongi is crying. Jungkook never see him crying and his heart clinging to see his brother like this. Doctor, he just got, and who is here is very close to him. Mr. Park about to speak. Yoongi, me, your he said without any hesitation. Doctor, you take care of him, don't leave him for a second. Yoongi, I understand, doctor. When he wake up, doctor, let him sleep peacefully. He wake up by himself. You don't worry, he's all fine now. Mr. Min, take care of him, don't leave him even for a second. Yoongi, I understand now. I took my leave. And you go, Mr. What happened with him? Stay away from him, and here you see today again he is here just because of you. Yoongi, just because of me. What? Yoongi, I am sorry, uncle, but if he wants me the most and I don't leave him now, I do mistake in past, but now not now. And I see who stopped me. I am dead. He is right. He is saying right. Jimin now wants Yoongi the most, so please. Huh, Yoongi have all right. It's good if we stay with him. We already do mistake. We do his with Rohan, so please not again. Yoongi, all may leave now. Everyone go. Yoongi, Namjoon, I have to behave like this if I want to stay with Jimin's apology. I am Yoongi. I know there is a reason you are doing all this. You take Jimin from here. We don't have any problem. Okay. You also take rest. And now about your flight. Yoongi, I am not going anywhere. I am here. I don't go anywhere. I am smile. I am handle him. Yoongi also smile. I hope so you all like. If you like, then subscribe and then also tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Sarange.